video explains how to create an Exchange public folder through HostingController. Public folders give Outlook users shared access to folders. For many organizations, public folders offer an easy way to share content among users. For instance, the HR department of an organization can define a public folder for company policies and regulations. As most users already have access to Microsoft Outlook, so adding a shared public folder to their mailbox view gives them access to shared content. All users with valid permissions can access company rules and regulations through this shared public folder. To add a public folder, log into the control panel as the tenant admin, also known as the customer. You will land on the dashboard. Navigate to the left menu. Click the Provisioning dropdown and hit the Exchange menu. From the list of organizations, select the organization under which the public folder is to be created. As public folders are defined at the organization level, everyone in the organization can be assigned access to the public folder. Hit the drop-down and click the Public Folders button. To create a new public folder, click the Create Public Folder button. Specify the name of the public folder. Then select the type of the public folder. There can be 4 different types of public folders. A mail public folder organizes documents related to the same subject. A contact public folder records information required to contact an individual or an organization. It's a way of maintaining one single directory for all contacts. A corporate contact folder might contain the official company list of qualified vendors, suppliers, contractors, and support personnel. A calendar public folder records schedules and appointments for individuals, groups, and resources that can be scheduled, for example, conference rooms. A task public folder records and tracks tasks. You can describe each task by a name, a start and finish date, and a status. You can delegate each task to an individual, and the person responsible for the task can update the task status until it is complete. This folder type is ideal for projects where online tracking and reporting is desired. Choose whether you would like to mail-enable the public folder. When a public folder is mail-enabled, an SMTP address is assigned to it and emails can be received directly into it. Specify the SMTP address for the mail-enabled public folder. Select the public folder mailbox. Public folder mailboxes store the hierarchy information plus the content for public folders. Public folder mailbox names are fetched directly from Exchange at the back end and displayed in the drop-down. Select an offering for the public folder. To learn what offerings are and how they work, see the link in the description. Finally, define the public folder size and hit the Create Public Folder button. A new public folder will be created. Once the public folder is created, you may modify its attributes by entering its dashboard. To enter the dashboard, hit the Dashboard button. You will find the attributes on the left. You can modify a lot of attributes through HostingController, like general properties, advanced properties, accepted senders, rejected senders, forwarding, and so on. To learn more about these attributes, follow the link in the description. You may also mail-enable or disable the public folder after its creation. To throttle mail enabling and disabling, use the Mail Disable and Enable button. Finally, you can also delete the public folder through HostingController. HostingController also allows you to track down various operations and record events through its audit logging facility. Audit logs are only available to the global admin. To view the event log for the creation of the public folder, log out to the admin user. Click the Configurations cog on the top and hit the Audit Logs menu under System. Select the tenant who created the public folder and hit the Audit Logs button under the Actions column. You will find a complete log of the public folder with the kind of operation performed, timestamp, the IP log, and the action type of the CRUD operation. You may also view the full details of the log. HostingController provides APIs for all its operations. It also provides APIs for public folders. These APIs can be used by DevOps to automate their workflows. They can use any scripting language capable of calling REST APIs. HostingController offers the following API methods for Exchange public folders. To view HostingController APIs, follow the link below. Create a collaborative space for sharing and accessing information with Exchange public folders. Try HostingController today.